Self-discipline is self-love. If you want to be happy, you have to love yourself, which means you have to discipline your behavior. The road to sustained happiness is through disciplining your behavior.
Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. I just finished filming now. I'll make a spin real quick and then come back. Nothing so serious, you know. I have a one protein bar, so I go munch pan. Oh, by the way, look out for this look on my channel. The hair, oh my gosh, scalp. But yeah, I'm just to start off, so let's jump into the rest of the vlog. I'm gonna get something for munch pan real quick because mommy not finished cook. I'm gonna come on the road, so we say when I come through Island Grill, come try them nuggets. It's sauce named Mad Fire and curry ranch
and sweet and spicy.
I want the sweet and spicy. Try that one next time, but the Mad Fire catch me. And a curry ranch, so I'll try it now. How can I do this again?
Like you're ready for dump down in juice.
Want some? I'm thirsty.
That you never want to combo. See through me,
I don't want to come. This girl is some more eat off my food.
And she got to take a while for done. I'm in it, I'm dead she hungry.
I'm having one salad.
Oh yeah, your food, you're good. Thank you.
One. Wind up your window. You get everything?
Yeah.
Before we go home, real quick, Liz. Thank you.
Put on my juice.
I taste it.
Why did you take the first sip and this girl takes sip out of my juice before me?
It's sweet though.
That's why I should have taken no. See something here?
Thanks. The curry I look diluted.
It's curry ranch.
Oh well, yes.
Look like straight pepper. I ain't even gonna hold you. Oh, it smell.
Smell weird. Yeah, I know where you're supposed to smell our food. Okay. Put your Mad Fire now. Taste it.
I can't do that milk with my hair. Pepper seed.
I'm gonna put back to something. This girl's so extra.
But that's straight pepper this. This is pepper.
That's my jam.
It's good though.
This is alright. Definitely taste the curry flavor. You know, classic ranch flavoring as well. But I love Mad Fire. Next time I get this, I'll get Mad Fire. That's my jam. Battery so dead. Tastes like curry ranch for true. Tastes like you throw curry powder in a ranch. Why did that? But I want more dip now?
When I said curry ranch,
yeah, like, when people act like you would say?
When I said curry ranch, she was like, okay. So like much people don't get it.
But you know it's curry, so I was intrigued.
This pepper.
Exactly, this is why I'm gonna get curry from everywhere. And I mean, you know what flying I mean.
You get a like sweet and spicy.
No, this don't taste like sweet and spicy, to be honest. So sweet and spicy be. At least the nuggets don't taste like plastic.
Tastes like when you buy it and make it at home.
Yeah. This and belly bus nuggets are the best nuggets. Everywhere else, nuggets taste like plastic. Complete disappointment. Everywhere else, like, believe me.
Everywhere. We stopped at the food thing pan camera will eat down.
Yeah, I think so.
One time people used to say them up and get food before them start.
People skills for it.
How?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't do it as much?
I'm gonna tell you why too. I threw the whole restriction, the lockdown, curfew. We're not go as much place.
Can you talk to my sister? That's really
Thank you. This is so nasty. I'm gonna give this 5 out of 10. I'm sorry. Now, probably some of you guys might say I'm a little odd, but to be honest, I'm gonna be honest. Like, I'm a very picky eater. I'm not always up to try things, to be honest. Like, more often when say it tastes good, because a lot of times when I go to eat, I'm hungry. I'm genuinely hungry. Like me, honestly, if my belly full, I can't afford to eat more food, so I wait until I'm hungry. So I really want hungry, honestly, what I eat most of the time. And when you're hungry, I really want something that tastes good. You know? That's just me.
For me, that is.
And like, you see, I don't know. Like, mommy cooks really well. They taught me to cook well. When I say they, I mean mommy. And my father, even though he's deceased. Yeah. So I feel I just picky. I just like when food tastes good.
Mommy cooks so good. Like, it's like you put everything up to that expectation. Like, I want the food to taste like mommy food. And you kinda get disappointed when it don't have as much flavor and as spicy as the food we use. But sorry for not saying me a double dip.
Yeah. My one, I don't want no more. My one no get too. You know, say this not a mad fire not a
so an actual pepper.
It should have moved. It not move. It not make me like, yeah. I'm sorry, bro.
Now you saying that?
I'm sorry. I'm just and I come one.
Someone easier say.
The other time I can't share with your mag
you see mine in there.
She just mean with her mag eat, so.
One you mad eat.
Mad fire. I don't know.
20 pepper, man.
It's okay.
Come on, you drink pepper.
Come on, I'm going to go for a time. I don't like how you say on the ear shower.
Yeah, I'm miserable. I never that me. People swear that the only person I know loves stress out herself unnecessarily. She would know what's something there and kill up herself. Did it? Oh, it did it. It did it. Alright.
So extra.
Every day you do it. Every single day.
She's such an extra. She's such an extra. She's such an extra from my Facebook, baby. You just see that take one nap. You know, when you just wake up from a nap, you look like The car needs a washing, okay? Right now, oh my gosh, I've been up from early this morning and I was just tired. I felt sleepy in my eyes. So, I just did do what I have to do. I came home midday and I knew that I had to come back out on the road, but I had time in between. So, take a little quick nap. You know them way there? So right now, I have an appointment to pick up something. So I'm gonna pick it up. I pick up mommy right here, so because she needs to come with me for something. And then today we're gonna go to the supermarket. We never go grocery shopping weekend. I don't know what I do. There's something else. I don't remember. But yeah, we never go grocery shopping weekends, so we're gonna. It's actually a holiday weekend coming up, Heroes weekend, but lockdown again. Like, honestly, me just personally feel like say the curfew time can kind of lift up now, because I feel like Me not got even go this thing because you gotta have some people that want. I can't because I see the comments all the time and I'm like this little baby running across the street like so cute. Yeah, I'm just kind of stressed out. Like I'm tired basically. I'm just tired about curfew time. Like I was really hoping that I just can't wait for things to get different. But apart from that, yeah, I'm just checking with you know. And at this point, I'm pretty much rambling. Alright guys, I'm finally done everything I have to do. Finished grocery shopping, everything. Right now I'm going back home and I got a smoothie. I never really in the mood for going to blend. Like I bought all my stuff and all that. But I never in the mood for like blend up and something. Low key, I fell in love with making my own smoothies. But this I just you know quick. When I move, yeah, convenient still. It's good. But it now have no ginger. Like I love to put ginger in my smoothies. So I've grown to just really love the taste of that. This is like my third. I consider this like a meal because it's very filling to me. So I did have like a go light earlier on from Island Grill. Some chicken and some steamed veg, and yeah, I did have some soup with that. That's all I had from morning. And then now I'm having this. And if I didn't, I think I'm going to have some chicken again and some veg. Yeah. And I'm cutting down my eating time to like 7. Cut off all eating from 7. It really works, trust. Me not necessarily try. Okay, may I try to tighten up, but I'm not like try to lose weight. I'm really not trying to lose like a lot of weight or anything. Just kind of lean, get a little bit leaner. Cause the other way I was just kind of going at anything. Anything over there, like, gimme. You know, I have to have a little bit more structure. So that me know. Supermodel vibes. Comment if you not agree that she look like a supermodel. Like turn around, let them see you. Like the hair, everything. By the way, this is a wig and it look just like her hair. Like nothing much haven't been going on, so I haven't been vlogging that much. Look how she made a run for that the gate, you know. She a run. Oh. Man, watch your hair run.
It's so hot, man.
Yeah, guys, man, I know what one is like. Today's a very confusing day. Oh my gosh, it's burning up. Like, what is burning up really bad? It feels like someone never come already.
And no,
I don't know what's up with that.
It's like the sun get jealous of the cloud. They might say, move mega rings.
Listen, guys, I just filmed 2 videos, right? And I don't know some of them put on makeup. Usually, you know that I go up on the road with the makeup. No, I go wash off the makeup. No, I just feel sticky. Crazy, but I love that area. I just put this on. I love it. It's a headband wig, by the way. This one. But gosh, I'm hungry. I want something really nice to eat. For the past week, I really tightened up, like what I did tell me that I do. Like I cut off eating from 7 o'clock. Last night I did do the same, and like I felt we were like watching Netflix, so I just had like 2 glasses of wine, and that was pretty much it. You know, I really, just condition my mind, just my mind. So I'm going into this week like that. I'm seeing what I wanted to see. I wanted to see more definition in my abs. So yeah. Shama, what you up to? Shama was filming a video and Shama get miserable and dash for the video, so she can't do it today because the time hot and miserable bad.
It was too like that did throw me off to like.
Yeah, it's so hot.
Be my best self, and I was sweating everywhere. I had on a watch. I had to take off the watch. I have to fling off the hat from my head. Everything. I just couldn't function.
I don't know. Today is just strangely hot. It's been raining for like Oh, the can't, you can't say 1 month, almost a month.
Yeah.
Almost a month.
We used to the little
coolness now. So me say, yo, alright, Jamaica look like it a go look coolish that year.
The trade winds are coming in. All if we see the sun box it way.
I really don't know what happened. Okay, Snapchat get jealous. I mean, look on the type of it.
Or if I'm uploading something, so I'm a...
I say, if come here.
I was going to...
So why you never?
Me just get mad and fling off everything off.
You was going at first, you have to do before you be here. Come here.
No, I can't get before me. But it just like a wake up and it just how much it is.
So when you're done being, you should have come it.
So that mean that do me I sweat everywhere. I just mad and just put on the hat and done. But what I gonna eat?
I don't know.
Then I feel for nothing special.
Actually, my belly felt expensive. I don't know.
But I engage in an argument.
I feel like something fishy. That's what I felt for. I feel for something spicy and gooey and maybe a splash of cheese. I don't know.
I want some cheese.
You want some cheesy? Guys, half a tree full. Right now we about to go get something to eat. But the place pack right up. So we think we'll figure out where we want to go. So we'll just head there now. And yeah, that's what the Saturday is looking like. Plaza them full up though. I'm glad the road not as jammed. But I'm not talk too quick. Because I know don't say that half a tree stay. Come on guys, we don't understand, you know. We're there out here. Yeah, we're out here for hours, you know. So alright, we're gonna be spontaneous. Being that we were early, like we know, so we're early on the road, way before night for fall. So we're there and we do like 1, 2. We didn't know how we make stop at TGI Fridays first. No, we don't actually check out Grill Shack first. We're gonna Grill Shack, the security tell us say Grill Shack lockdown. But say alright, TGI up the road. So we say alright, good way when I go TGI, bam, go up there. So car like TGI food already, but go up there, so up there, ram, have a turn back. We say alright, we explore the day. It early same way, like early same way. So last place we say alright, we done really some more of them that surf and turf there. So we say Terry's. Go Terry's, Ramadan. I couldn't believe it, you know, right there, so I when I feel it, you know.
At that point, it's not like 5:40.
And I don't want anybody to say, oh, stay at home and cook. We cook all the time, okay? Honestly, I just regular Saturday. We do 2 little Saturday something, Saturday errands or whatever. And we say, alright, we'll go somewhere. But tired of the house, honestly, I don't know if, I don't know. And it's not just me, like a lot of people say, oh, it depressing or something, so just say, alright, go eat something. Well, for end up a KFC. I know KFC ram. Jeez. Okay guys, so yesterday with vlogging, it never goes as planned at all. This is the next day, obviously. But my vibe just broke. I really wanted to just eat out and it just never worked out as we were talking about. So honestly, if yesterday did go as planned, we don't get a vlog by today, which is Sunday. I actually just finished filming the video and today is not as hot as yesterday. Anyways, it's been a while since I've done shout out and mommy actually busy right now and something I cook and whatever. So last vlog someone was like, no shout out, so I'm going to be sure to do the shout outs today. So alright, so first person that I'm seeing in the comment section here is a lot of comments. You guys know I just randomly pick out. So alright, so the first shout out goes to Elizabeth Anthony. Basically just saying that they love the bond that we have, so shout out to you. And then Mars22XX is asking if we can get more mukbangs. Definitely, sure. Like I go off vibes a lot of times, and if you guys don't like, probably request it, or if I do it and you don't really like, I say alright, cool, you know, but like I'm know. Because it's not just that comment them seen, like a couple comments where I say them want mukbang. I was like, okay, cool. Alright, cool. I can do it then. I can do it. Totally. Alright. Black is beautiful. That's who the next shout out goes to. She said, it's the wine for me. I was putting out a vlog that may have wine. Man, I see remember. See that vlog they upload 1 week ago. Oh my gosh. You know, honestly, in that vlog I think I told you guys that, yo, when I gonna get like 2 more vlogs or at least 1 more vlog for me. It did not work out. Did not work out. But you see, that's the thing why I'm gonna like to talk. Like, separate and apart from like my main channel, I'm gonna like talk and say, yo, when I get X and X about a vlog, cause yo, you see, true, vlogs are real life. It's reality. Sometimes you say I gotta do something happen and it just don't work out. So it's way different with vlogging than it is with the main channel, where you definitely know what kind of videos you're going to sit down and actually film. So that it's a big difference there for me. So like rain I go fast, so I rain that run to the rain, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna take 1 more shout out. I'm going to give the shout out to Sunshine Tina. Shout out to you. She loved the wig. Shout out to you, by the way. Yeah, I'm wearing one right now. This is another headband wig. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes. You don't have to stay tuned to my main channel already. You don't know some of the detail over here, but this one is so nice. So nice. Oh my gosh, we're past 67k. I must tell you guys, thank you so much for 67k subscribers. It means so much. Get me to 70k, you know, because you don't know, say 100k at the big milestone where I try to get to, and I'm still going to give away the vlog camera. I'm still going to give away the vlog camera when I hit 100k. I'm going to give away whatever vlog camera I'm using by the time I hit 100k. Like, what do I say? I'm not gonna make it seem as it is, sure, because you see, me did think I did the previous camera when I used, that would have been a giveaway camera, but personally I wouldn't even recommend it. So I don't think it would be right for me to give away that camera if me personally not like it. You understand what I say? So that camera was just a disappointment. Like, Canon is a good brand or whatever. And my first one that I had, my first G7X, was the bomb. It lasted so long. It went through thick and thin with me. Mark II was just not it. At all. So yeah, whatever camera I'm using at that time of the giveaway, so if I'm still using this Sony, at a Sony may I give it. You understand? The same thing. So just go and support your girl. Same thing for my main channel. Same thing. Christmas will come, Christmas they right this, so, and I know so I love the giveaway business, and so me love the giveaway with meaning. Like, some people just get up and do giveaway. Like me personally, there's something about giveaway. I don't know, giveaway has its pros and its cons. One thing I like about giveaway, enough time I say I give away this, I give away that, people all DM me. I'm gonna say people may say all money in my DM, you know, I beg me to make them girlfriend win here. It's just a whole thing. But yeah, yeah, I really want to do that giveaway, man. So get me to 100k, but we'll pass the 70k, so we can just, you know, yeah, we'll take it step by step. So if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like up the video them, you know, share them, make everybody subscribe, everybody in your family, all your friend name. It's just good vibes over here, you know. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, I'm in my back seat of my car. I think I've only been around here like once or twice. Isn't that crazy? I'm always driving, like, majority of the time. But Shami is about to resume her lessons. So she resumed with our lessons them with our instructor, aka Travis. Yeah, Travis him give lessons here and there. So she, honestly, I can't show her a thing or two, but I'm not a good teacher. I don't feel like I'm a good teacher, at least not for driving. My patience not set up them ways, you understand? So yeah, Travis who she did start with, And so she just a finish up now because she actually needs to really get her license. Like, so she just a tighten up, finish up now, and then she gonna get her license, her driver's license. And she was pretty good. She was pretty good. She not bad at all. She not come out very well. She just paused for a little bit. So, you know, we're at it again. Well, she at it again. But before we go, I want to get ice cream. I'm so excited. I don't know why. Guys, sorry if I'm a little dark. So I'm making my breakfast smoothie. I've been having this my regular like fruit smoothie. I make a lot, so I have like enough for 2 days. That's a little bit, and my face still shaded. Sorry about that. So I really hope this vlog has a good length for you guys, because today is Monday, it's a new week. But tomorrow now, when I come home, I'm editing this vlog for you guys, okay? My ice up pure protein, and I use some of this tropical fruit blend. It has mangoes, strawberries, some of the strawberries too frozen in there, so I have more strawberries by itself. That's what we got. That's what we got right here. Got my smoothie. Now I'm ready to go. Guys, I'm all done with my gym session. It's actually hours later and it's raining right now. We really need the rain because it's like anytime it rains, it's like you think that it's really going to cool down the place like a day after, even if it don't rain, but it gets hot again. Like it never even rained. I'm gonna go out on the road real quick. I want to get a salad and I want to go get something up by Fontana.
No, Fontana give me one vibe. But you have to have money for going to Fontana.
You got that right. Fontana is not cheap. The pricey. Yeah. So it's Heroes Weekend that's coming up, guys. Heroes Weekend. Let me know what your plans are for this Heroes Weekend. If you're in Jamaica, that is obviously it's a Jamaican holiday. Tomorrow, Tuesday, you guys are watching this.
I say something, but I'm not going to say it there.
What are you gonna say?
White lies perilous, sweet as poison, fell ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your demons, one sipping I'm lovesick, built a home turned to ruins.
This girl forever take the stairs instead of taking the escalator. It's Christmas already. I don't want to get copyright. And they had all the balls out. Ooh, I'll get so excited for them.
May I try to catch up my breath?
It made me feel so festive. I can't believe like time flies so fast already. Like, and look at us being previous. Don't you like these hats? Guys, I love hats. I don't know what it is. I like that one here. You don't like it? What? Yes, girl, it's $299. Balls are cheap. Balls are cheap, okay? I would say I did somewhere along here so we see it. But is this the moment? I like these. You see how much these are? These are call it $5 grand.
Oh, this is cute.
I wonder if them have other types before me like. Oh, that's nice. But this is for a whole alcoholic. Anyway, them not even make it kind of like. Oh.
Them something make you want to drink water. You come in and place and you buy things.
Trust me, I know water alone you have to drink, you know, honey. I know water alone.
Stainless steel bottle.
Oh, that's something nice.
Oh.
I mean, take the last silver one, you know, the last silver cup. No, they have more here. I really like these cups though. But I wonder if they have any more bedazzle. I'm going to look. Hold on to it. These are nice. 3 bills. 4 odd.
And a plastic plate there?
Yeah. I'm buy this one. You see those paintings down there?
Wow.
Very nice. Thank you. Oh, yeah. 3. We got, and we out. We reach. We're not going nowhere. We're not going nowhere.
We're never going nowhere?
No.
I was fully ready to step.
We never. You didn't feel that? This girl, I come out to the elevator and we don't even move.
I think we didn't move. We didn't feel like one.
This girl's crazy, man. Go ahead. Guys, I'm gonna reach back home. So, I know sorry about that. Mommy over here. So, I'm just showing a little. I know that in the store we will get, but I got this cup. I actually get the cup. I can't believe I actually get the cup, but it's actually a good cup. It's a nice chilly tumbler. That cup here is like what? 4.4. With tax, call it 5,000.
$5,000 for the cup, people. I don't know shit about 4.4. $5,000.
It maintains liquid temperature. You don't know that why I do the tumbler name. So cool. It cool for 18 hours with ice and hot for 10 hours. So it says leak proof, stainless steel, BPA and lead free, condensation free, double wall, insulated stainless steel. So yeah, you know you have a little mixed drink. I didn't want one plain one. Not for the cup, them I have them branded. So I never want a brandy cup, and it really feels durable. So I just get it undone.
I can't show no one cup right now plain. One bazaar bubble. What look like?
We get them splasher, them body mist here. These are really cheap, but I like them. They're cheap. You know, like when you just you know that you just have that little miscellaneous spray up there, one little miscellaneous or something. You just throw it one. Battery so done and the next one I charge like God. This smells so good. This is a sea salt mango. And then I did go to the electronic store and I just got 2 things. I needed a power bank. I have some power bank, but them they eat that power bank. 5,000. So this can charge your phone a couple times well. So I get this regular power bank and I get one. We didn't need one US. This is just one generic one because I soon get one. I got pop sockets too. I got buy one get one free at the same electronic store. So I know that's what I want to say. And then that one here say yeah. But